In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group in Outlook in just 5 minutes, whether you're trying to streamline communications with your team or organize your contacts for a specific project. Setting up a group in Outlook can simplify your email management and boost your productivity. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll need to navigate to the Outlook login page. You can do this by simply opening your web browser and typing in the address for the Microsoft 365 Outlook login. Once you've arrived at the login page, look for the button that says Sign In, click on it, and this will bring you to a new screen where you'll be asked to enter your email address associated with your Outlook account. Go ahead and type in your email address in the provided field. Make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any login issues. After entering your email, click Next. This step is straightforward, but it's crucial as it prepares the system to identify your account and grant you access. The following prompt will request your password. Enter your password here, ensure it's the correct one to maintain security, and avoid multiple login attempts. Once you've entered your password with confidence, click on Sign In. If you've enabled two-factor authentication or any other security measure, you might need to follow additional steps here. Once signed in, you may encounter a prompt asking if you want to stay signed in. Clicking yes can be a convenient choice if you're on a personal device, as it prevents you from having to sign in repeatedly. However, if you're on a shared or public computer, consider selecting no to protect your privacy. Now that you're signed in successfully, you'll see your main Outlook dashboard. From here, navigate to the Mail section by clicking on the mail icon or appropriate link. This will take you to your inbox, where you can start the process of creating a new group. At this stage, look around for an option that says Create New Group. Depending on your Outlook version, this might be in the toolbar or perhaps under a menu or drop-down list. Click on Create New Group when you find it, and you'll open a dialog box or a new page dedicated to setting up your group. It's time to add your group details. Give your group a meaningful name that reflects its purpose. It will help you and the group members to understand the context at a glance. You might also have the option to provide a description. Use this feature to clarify the group's focus or goals. Additionally, take a moment to configure other settings as per your requirements, like the privacy settings or group permissions. Privacy controls help you manage who can see or join the group, ensuring that you maintain control over the group's information and interactions. Once you've filled in all relevant details and ensured everything looks good, take a last look over the group information to catch any errors or omissions. When you're ready, look for the Create button. Clicking Create will finalize the setup and officially create your group in Outlook. Congratulations, you've successfully created a group in Outlook. Remember, this group can now be used to send emails efficiently to all members, keeping everyone in the loop with minimal effort. Feel free to explore additional features of group functionality in Outlook, such as adding members, moderating conversations, and customizing group settings. These features can help you further tailor your group experience to meet your specific needs and preferences. If you have any questions or run into trouble during the setup, don't hesitate to revisit these steps or explore Outlook's help resources for more guidance. Thanks for joining me today to learn about creating groups in Outlook. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit from organizing their contacts and improving their communication flow. Have a great day and enjoy the productivity boost that comes with effectively managing your email groups.